In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Brother HL-L2405W to your Wi-Fi network. After doing so, I'll also show you how to connect your phone to your printer. This way you'll be able to print using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started right away. So step number one, go on this screen right over here. We're going to press the up arrow to navigate through the menu. Press it a few times until you see network. Then confirm by pressing OK. Once you see WLAN Wi-Fi, press OK once again. It will say find network, press OK, and it will start searching for all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer. Now use the up and down arrow to navigate through the names of all the networks that the printer has detected. So this is my Wi-Fi network. I'll press OK. And we'll have to enter the password. Now, unfortunately, there's no keyboard, so it'll be a bit hard to do it. But by using the up and down arrow, you're going to go through all the numbers and then all the letters. Okay. And once you have selected, let's say your password starts with an H. Well, you're going to press the OK. It will register and then you'll go to the next one. And same thing. If you have characters, press the down arrow and you'll go through them first before going through the numbers and letters. If you have capital letters, they'll appear right over here as well. This can take a few minutes, so let me just do it and come back when I'll have written my whole password. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you want to delete, simply press the back button and it will delete whatever you wrote there and you'll be able to input the right character. Once you are done entering the password, you're going to press once more on the OK button. It will say apply settings, press the down arrow here to confirm. And now the printer is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. You're going to get the confirmation connected once this is done. Press OK. And we need to go on the iPhone now. On the iPhone, we need to open the App Store. Once you're there, press the search button. Go on the search bar over there and type Brother. And the app that we need to download is the Brother Mobile Connect app. It looks like this one right over here. Download it and open it once it's done. Press the next button. Press next again. Next. Let's get started. Okay. In my case, I already had another printer connected to this app, so I'll click on the top right corner where I see the image of a printer. Click on Add Machine. Now you're going to have two different options here. Register your machine and also connect your machine to Wi-Fi. Our printer is already connected to the Wi-Fi, so we're going to select the first one. And here we go. The printer has appeared in the list. Simply click on it. Select maybe later. Activate later. You're not obligated to do so. Maybe later. Then you can skip this by clicking the skip button on the top right corner. You're going to get the green check mark saying that everything is okay. And then click Exit Setup. It will bring you on the Brother web page. Simply go back in the app. If there is a new firmware, if your printer has a new update available, it will tell you here and I suggest you install it. But since I just want to show you how to print, I'll just skip this. And now on the top, you're going to see your printer. If you click on it, you're going to also have how much ink is left. Okay, so this is great to have this status right there. Every time you're going to want to print from your iPhone, I suggest you use this app. I think it's a really good and simple app. It's not very confusing like other companies. You simply need to select document print or photo print, depending what you want to print. Mostly a document, I guess. So click here, select your file you want to print. It will open it just like so. And before pressing the print button, I know many people are tempted. I suggest you click the cogwheel right there. So you make sure that these settings are okay because it can make a big difference. So paper size, select your actual paper size you have input in your printer. How many copies you can select here. Fit to page, don't touch it. Layout as well. And quality by default is normal, but if you want like the best quality this printer is able to give you, you need to select fine. Normal is sufficient for like 90% of the cases, but hey, why not have the best quality, right? So select fine and then select pages. If your PDF document has, let's say, 10 pages, you can select if you want to print, let's say, just the two first one or just a few of those pages, a different range. Anyway, once you're done, go back and now press the print button. It's quite quick to print. Make sure that you have extended this small plastic flap. And here we go, we got our print out. Once you're done, simply press the X button and you'll be back on the main screen. As I said, it's very easy to use and intuitive. I didn't have any issues with this app. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a comment, but also check my Amazon links down below. Every time you purchase a printer through my links or maybe an ink cartridge, toner, paper, I get a very small commission and this supports my channel. Thanks in advance and see you in the next one.